Life cycle. The worm mainly infects dogs and other canine species, but it is not unknown to feline species like cats. Heartworm uses arthropod vectors to transmit from primary host to primary host, mainly spread through mosquitoes. Mosquitoes simply act as a vector and secondary host used for transmission for the worm. The primary host where sexual reproduction occurs is the dog or cat. It can transmit from to human on the rare occasion, using people as a primary host instead of dogs. Heartworm's life cycle starts when a female mosquito drinks blood from an infected primary host, ingesting the microscopic microfilariae of the heartworm in the process. Microfilariae then penetrate into the mosquito's midgut, where it then develops into a first stage larva, and then into a third stage larva. This is where we begin to see the recognizable elongated shape of a nematode. The third stage larva then migrate to the mouth into the mosquito's proboscis, where it will enter into the next definitive primary host through the saliva of the mosquito during the mosquito vector's next blood meal. From here, the larva will travel around the host body using the circulatory system, settling in the heart, lungs, or major blood vessels. Once settled, the worms will mature into a sexually reproductive adult worm and produce microfilariae that will float around the circulatory system, repeating the life cycle. Heartworm doesn't have many defense features and adaptations that help it survive and reproduce. One of its main key features as a roundworm is that it has an epidermis layer on the outside, which secretes an outer cuticle that is tough, thick, and flexible, providing some protection for the worm against the body's immune system. In addition, its eggs that it lays are highly resistant and are suited to mature into microfilariae in most adverse environments. In addition, its multicellular yet microscopic structure allows it to find no problem with the host's immune system, only suffering from an inflammatory reaction of the host and excess fluid. Its lack of survival strategies is one of the reasons why it has a low fatality rate and a small number of recorded cases among humans and dogs.
Created using pt2.